Okay, we're given some information with 3 countries. So we have countries A, country B, and country C. So I can see that I have 3 variables. It says all 3 of these won a total of 126 medals. So A plus B plus C is 126. Then it says country B won 7 more medals than country C, and then country A won 36 more medals than the total amount won by the other 2. So plus B plus C. So I certainly can see that I have 3 variables, 3 equations, so I want to solve this. The first thing that I would do is I would rewrite these equations with the letters all under each other. So equation 2, I'll put the B here. I'm going to move the C to this side. And now this one, I have the A. I'm going to move the B and the C to the other side. So now I can see what I want to solve. Hopefully you notice those 2 nicely, that if the first thing I do is I take the first equation and I add it to the third equation, that so nicely the B and C's cancel and I get 2A equals 162 or A equals 81. And so now I can just kind of pick. Now what I'm going to do is actually pick these 2 equations. So if I have A plus B plus C equals 126, and then B minus C equals 7, I can see the C's cancel. So I have A plus 2B, and then 133. Well, I know what A is. I found that over here is 81. 133, and so if I subtract 133 minus 81, I get 52. So now I know my B is 26. Now I can go back to the very first equation. A plus B plus C equals 126. I know what A is. I know what B is. And so now I have something I can solve for C. So that's what 107. And then I get C equals 19. So country A won 81 medals. And it's actually kind of cool to go back, because if you remember, it says they won 36 more. Well, add the 26 and the 19. So I can see if I add now 36 more medals, I do get that value. And then it also said what country B won 7 more medals than country C. So if I add 7, I can see that that works out as well.